Hi friends, thank you so much for stopping by today and welcome if you are new here. My name is Alyssa and today I just wanted to share this cute little mini Christmas journal that I made out of envelopes. And the way that I made it was pretty much exactly like how I put together these little flip pockets if you saw this video of mine. If not, I will link it down below, but I pretty much attached the envelopes together just like I did with this project. So yeah, I turned it into a little journal this time. And for this cutie, I used the winter holiday stack here. And this was another yard sale find. I'll try to show you some of the prints down below here. But I just loved all of the bright colors and of course the Christmas theme. So let's jump right into the flip through here. This journal does measure 3 5/8 of an inch by 6.5 inches, the size of my envelopes there. And I thought the paper was so perfect here for my cover. It just says Merry Christmas already. So I just added some red pom-pom trim. And then the spine I covered up with a piece of paper as well. And then there's the back with more pom-pom trim. So let's go ahead and flip through this. So I just left this side blank for now. I try not to fill up every single page in case I want to do photos, of course, but love that paper there. And then I used some of the envelopes actually as pockets, so you can kind of see the shape of the envelope there. That is a side pocket. So I stuck this tag inside that says Peace on Earth, and I thought a small photo would go so nicely there, or even if you just want to journal in that space, that would be nice too. And then this little strip I just turned into two little side pockets. So I have Hello Holidays, that's just a sticker. And then here I have a little stamp embellishment, I guess. But just some tiny little things to stick in there for now. And then over on this page, this was actually a little paper bag. It fit perfectly inside of my journal here. So I just glued it right onto the page. And of course it's a pocket. So I have two things in here actually. So this little card here, it says winter ski trip. And I don't ski, but I thought it would be a cute card if you did want to document a ski trip, or I probably change it to some other kind of title. I just thought it was cute because it already had the little banner there. Maybe you want to date this or just write a little caption or something like that. And then this other card says Merry Christmas. I thought that was so cute with some moose down here. So those are my two journaling cards inside of my paper bag pocket. One kind of just goes in the back. The other one I stick more in the front here. Like that. And then over here, I just have a little tuck spot. And this card has some writing space. It says sleigh bells. You can write on the back or add a photo. There's the paper in the background there. It's very glary. I apologize because this paper is very shiny or glossy. But there's also a side pocket here. And I just made this little journaling card to go in there with a Santa. And this is obviously the inside of the envelope too, as you can see. So some of the envelopes I did create side pockets like this. And I'm aware this tuck spot is sort of coming off. I will have to fix that later. But let's move right along. Over here, perfect journaling space or space for a photo. I added a vellum page in here as well and just clipped this tag that says ho ho ho. And I love this paper over here with the Santas, the little like postage stamps, super cute. Over here I have a tag for writing, added some snowflakes. This was another side pocket. As you can see, I just utilized the envelope. And another card I put together with the scraps, December 25th. And over here, this is just plain paper for writing or a photo again. Or I think I was planning to put a photo here because I just put "round the tree" down below as like a little caption. So there's also another side pocket over here. And it looks like I just created a floating pocket. That's just another postage stamp embellishment sort of. And in the pocket there, I just have a tag and a journaling card that says "Be Merry" with a cute little snowflake. So we'll stick that back in as well. Over here, I just have some writing space with a Santa. Perfect spot for a photo here. How cute is this penguin skiing down below? And then over here I have a tuck spot, which I kind of just layered up some scraps and the word "cheer." And then there is a tag behind there. Here's another snowflake vellum page. Another spot for a photo or writing. And then another paper bag that I had that I also turned into this pocket. So this is the first card I made. I just made it to look like an actual gift or present. And then this I turned into a tag. Didn't really decorate it much yet, but just to have some fun little inserts and journaling spots in here. All right, over here I have some writing space. I left this cute Santa down below and added some Santa washi tape as well. And then I think there's one more side pocket here. So this card I just added "Warm Winter Wishes" to. And then that's my last page here, just some extra writing space with an ornament sticker, some snowflakes, and then I'll probably put a photo or something on the very last page there. And that's the whole mini little Christmas journal. So I just love all of those bright Christmas colors. Some of the papers also had some glitter on it. I don't know if you can tell, but the leaves here are sort of glittered, or the branches are kind of glittered. So I thought it made for a cute little journal. So I am going to quickly show you how I put it together. I'm not going to cover it up in this video because this took me a while. But I basically took 10 of these envelopes, and you can really take as many as you want, but I'm going to take 10 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I almost grabbed exactly 10. All right. So we've got 10 of these envelopes, and this is the way that I held all of my envelopes, with the lid opening here on the left, and then I just bring the lid back, and then I adhere it to my next envelope. So pretty much I just open all of my envelopes like that. So I'm going to do that to the second one as well. And I slid my lid inside of the next envelope. One of my friends on here asked if maybe she could just glue it to the outside, which you totally could do that too. But as you saw from my first journal, sometimes I utilized this little pocket here as an actual side pocket. So I'm just going to glue the whole entire lid inside. So I just glue this flap here, the side that you would normally seal, and then I'll stick it inside of my next envelope. And this is the same exact way I made those little flip pockets. Make sure that fits in there nicely, like that. And then just keep on going. So the next lid here will go inside our next envelope. So kind of just keep sending the lids to the back and just gluing each lid inside of your next envelope. So you can see you can really just keep going and making a whole journal or booklet with as many envelopes as you want. So I'm going to keep going with this process until I've glued all 10 envelopes together. Okay, so once you have reached your last envelope, this is pretty much what it's going to look like. You'll have one of the lids left, and then all the pages will just look like this pretty much. So what I did was, with my last envelope, I just brought it back to the front and folded it over, and then I'm going to glue it inside of my first envelope here. So you will have a little bit of a spine, which is fine. We're just going to wrap the lid around and simply glue that inside of our first envelope. All right. So that's what that is going to end up looking like. And then you can just cover it up and decorate it. So as you can see, when you glue it the way that I did it, you could utilize this as a pocket. You could also, what I did was I just cut off a tiny little sliver of the edge here if I wanted to do like a side pocket. So you have that option as well, or just cover everything up completely if you don't want pockets. So that's basically how I put together this journal here. And maybe I'll show you in a future video how I decorate this one. I'm not quite sure what kind of theme I want to do yet, but I pretty much just wanted to share this little cutie with you guys today and share quickly with you how I assembled my envelopes to create it. So I hope that you have enjoyed my flip through, and I hope that you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration. And leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. So I will see you all very soon in my next video. Until then, happy crafting and huge hugs!